A wet cough is the body's way of clearing any expectorate that is present in the throat or airways, which could be a result of a common cold or change in weather. However, if the cough persists, make sure you visit your doctor to rule out some serious conditions like TB or a lung and chest infection. On the onset of a wet cough, try these simple home remedies. Take a cup of water. Add about 6 to 8 peppercorns to it. Add about quarter teaspoon of cumin powder and add about 1 teaspoon of crushed jaggery. Mix them well, and now you will have to boil this mixture until it becomes solid decoction. Let it cool and drink this to expel the phlegm that is blocking your airways. Take a piece of fresh ginger, grate it and extract a juice from it like this, and take about 2 teaspoons of ginger juice and also add about 2.5 teaspoons of honey. Mix this well, and now you need to warm this slightly. Let it warm for less than a minute, and then you can have it about 3 to 4 times a day for your wet cough. Take a medium-sized onion, preferably a white onion, grate it and extract juice out of it like this. Now you will have to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Leave it for about 6 hours, then you can have it 2 to 3 times daily to better your wet cough. If the cough persists, have a glass of warm milk along with a pinch of turmeric powder or haldi. Mix this and have it every night before bedtime to soothe your throat. Ensure you drink at least 2 liters of water a day and stay well hydrated, and follow these simple steps to get rid of your cough and stay healthy. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button and leave a comment to let me know what you feel, and make sure to check out our other videos, and remember, stay healthy and live a long happy life.